What's up, everybody? It's Evan. Today I kicked my tripod. Today is going to be a little something fun. So today I have compiled a bunch of truth or dare things and put them in this cup. And so let's get to it, y'all. Okay, let's pick one. This one's a truth, and it says, "Can you lick your own foot?" So let's find out. Yes, I can. This one is a dare, and it says slap yourself. I guess for the video. Solid. This one says favorite thing to do while you're sleeping. I would have to say probably sleep. Boobs or butts? I would have to go with the female buttocks, even though both are fantastic creations of God, but butts take the cake. Get the punny joke? Do the hokey pokey, but talk like an old Jewish lady.
You put your right hand down, you put your right hand out. You put your right hand in and you shake it all about. You do the hunky punky and you turn yourself around, honey. That's what it's all about.
Tell your mom you got pregnant. That's gonna be awesome because I'm a guy, so my mom's gonna appreciate that. Mom,
What?
I have to tell you something.
What?
Come here. It's important.
Not on film.
It has to be on film.
No.
It's important.
No.
Mom, a girl got me pregnant. It's important.
A girl got you pregnant.
Yeah, there's a baby growing inside of me, and it's a serious issue.
Okay, well, if you put me on YouTube, I'm gonna be mad.
You're gonna go on YouTube. Do you like someone? Well, yes, I do like someone, and her name is Instagram or Twitter. Instagram, Twitter can suck my this is a dare, and it says eat a can of cat food. So I got my cat food, but I got some extra stuff, because this is gonna be gross. So I brought water and chocolate syrup. I'm not gonna eat the whole thing if you're expecting that. Take a bite though. Oh, smells. For YouTube. That was great. Oh, actually the most disgusting thing I've ever eaten. Even grosser than the Slurpee thing I made a few weeks back. Congratulations, cat food, you're grosser than a smoothie made out of crap. Lick the first item you see to your right. Boom. Okay, it's a pillow. One of my authentic Navajo Indian pillows. So let's go for a lick. That wasn't bad. Okay, next truth or dare thing. Cool. Awesome. Call the 6 number in your phone and ask them to help you out of your sex swing. Ryan Begley. Oh, coincidental. And you're in for a surprise, baby. Ryan.
Who's this?
This is Evan.
Evan! What's up?
I have a question.
Huh?
I got stuck in my sex swing. Can you come help me out?
Wait, what?
I'm in my room, and I was in my sex swing, and I got stuck.
What's your sex swing?
The swing I have,
What did you say?
I'm stuck in the sex swing, and I was wondering if you could come over and help me out of it.
Sex swing.
Yeah,
What's that?
it's like a swing, and
No.
Can you help me out? Please?
Well, I'm not even home.
My parents aren't home, and I'm scared that something's gonna fall off.
I'm not home.
I'm not stuck in my sex swing.
I know. This is when you play along.
You're in my video. Congratulations.
Oh, dude.
I love you. That was good convo between my friend Ryan. What kind of camera do you have? I have a Canon Rebel T5i and I freaking love it. It's probably the best Christmas present I've ever got. So thanks, Mom, even though I told you I was pregnant. I love you. Can you do the grind on me? Let's see.
Grind with me.
Yeah, I can't do that. I look like a retarded gorilla. Stop! Turn it off! Eat paper. Yeah. How old are you? Finally, last question in there. I am 14, gonna be 15 in September, so turn up. Woo. Everybody, this was my video for crap, I spilled cat water. Okay, everybody, this was my video for this Tuesday. If you didn't hear already, I'm gonna be posting videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays now. Sounds pretty good, because I didn't have a schedule before. I'll see y'all Thursday, I guess. Peace out, dudes.